Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel English Azhar Afrizal. Here I will explain how to power steering work. Understanding power steering. Power steering is a system that serves to is turning the steering system so as to produce like a white steering wheel. Which hot need for power mean to control the steering, especially at a low speed and adjust at medium and high speed. Now at low speed the friction force of the tire with the rod is quite high, especially for the low pressure type of tire with wear there. Okay, how it work power steering? 1. Neutral position. How it work power steering? In the control valve for flow or control valve, and if the valve is in a neutral position, all the oil will flow through the relief valve or relief port and return to the pump. At this time the pressure is not formed and the pressure area and both sides is the same. The piston does not move. 2. When turning. The second way of working power steering is when the main steering shaft or steering shaft is rotated is on direction. The control valve will also move the close on of the oil flow. Another channel will open and change in the volume uh, of oil flow will assure and eventually pressure will from on both sides of the piston. The pressure difference will uh, assure on the piston will move to the low pressure seat so that oil in the room will be returned to the pump through the control valve. Power steering principle. For the working principle, power steering works by providing addition assist or strike to the steering rack with directly move the front wheel of the vehicle. Here the drive will turn the wheel, then from the steering wheel there will be a steering system to the rack. In the rack there is another power assist mechanism that will provide more power the more power to the rack steer when moving, so that the steering wheel will feel lighter when turning the steering wheel. Here are some tips of power steering on a car. 1. Integral hydraulic power steering. The first type is more often called the recirculating valve type. You can find This type of steering in lightweight vehicles such as bus and truck. 2. Rack and pinion power steering. Rackster is electric rod with toothed wheel, while pinion gear is gear related to rack gear. This pinion is connected to the steering wheel, so that the steering wheel rotation is the same as the pinion gear rotation. 3. Electronic power steering or APS. APS is a new breakthrough in power steering system. This type does not have a power steering pump, which sometimes burden the engine. This type uses an electric motor that is directly connected to the rack gear, and to regulate some of the motor RPM and wear is gas. Okay, so many video from me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Look forward to my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.